Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If repairing your HVAC will only extend its lifetime by another year or two, HVAC replacement is likely the better choice. The return is typically greater when you invest in an energy-efficient HVAC unit, and replacement almost always saves you more money down the line.
Take our lead.
The service life of an HVAC system depends on its type. Here are the typical lifespans for common HVAC equipment. Furnaces, with proper maintenance. Gas furnaces typically last 20 to 30 years, or even longer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
5 brands get a top rating of excellent for satisfaction, including Trane, American Standard, Bryant, Lennox, and Carrier. Armstrong and Duquesne earn very good satisfaction ratings, as do Rheem and Ruud. The other 12 brands earn a rating of good, average, for owner satisfaction.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You want to have an HVAC system that runs above 80% efficiency. If your current model runs at a low efficiency rate, then a new replacement will lower monthly costs. With a new HVAC unit, homeowners may cut their electric bills down 20%. This type of home improvement will make your home's market value skyrocket.
Let's help you make your mark.
HVAC installation costs $6,820 to $12,350 on average, which includes new ductwork, a new central air conditioner, and a new gas furnace. Replacing an HVAC system without ductwork costs between $4,820 and $9,350 depending on the size of your home, and the brand and grade of equipment chosen.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Your air conditioner is more than 10 years old. Unlike furnaces, air conditioners are often outdoors and exposed to extreme temperatures throughout the year, which shortens their life expectancy. Modern air conditioners can last between 15 to 20 years, and older air conditioners last around 10 to 12 years.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.